Thank you for returning to Wealthy Coins. If you're looking for a place to do sailing, kayaking, scuba diving, snorkeling, etc. in Vietnam, Phu Quoc is the place to go. Ship holders can now book any of the 3 million travel products available on Travala.com thanks to this new addition by Travala. Shiba Inu is being promoted as a possible payment option by Travala. You may remember that Travala added support for Shiba Inu in December 2021. An announcement was made in November by Travala regarding the ability of Shiba Inu owners to pay for reservations at the 5-star Dubai luxury hotel W. In November, teams from Shiba Inu and Travala also inked a cooperation pact. As a result of the deal, the SHIB community got a special deal. A $25 free credit was offered to members of the Shiba Inu community who signed up for a Travala account. More than 3 million hotels, airlines, and other travel services may be reserved on Travala.com, and Shiba Inu owners can utilize the free credit to do just that. Travala is growing its crypto utility as thousands of consumers all over the globe rely on it as their go-to online travel agency. From apartments, villas, and hostels to 5-star luxury resorts, Travala offers travelers the best of the world's best lodging alternatives. With over 2,000 listings and 9012 for locations throughout 230 countries and territories, Travala.com is a great place to book your next vacation rental. With prices that are as much as 40% lower than those of competing large-scale online travel agencies, Shiba Inu has been gaining popularity especially because of its versatility as a form of payment. Top cryptocurrency payment processors, including as BitPay and Binance Pay, have taken notice of this expanding list of Shiba adoptions. Both financial institutions have been rolling out new features that let businesses take Shiba Inu payments. The SHIB token has become the preferred method of payment for employees at several companies. Donations from Shiba Inu owners have also been accepted by certain esteemed charitable organizations. Businesses such as online marketplaces, property developers, shops, etc. also take Shiba Inu. Even if many digital currencies are struggling to stay afloat in 2023, Shiba Inu has climbed to 40% of the market. Now you may pay with Shiba Inu at Nordstrom, an American shop. A selection of men's, women's, and children's apparel, footwear, purses, jewelry, and accessories may now be purchased with SHIB, according to Flexa, the world's leading pure digital payment system. Among the top 5 businesses that take Shiba Inu as payment, Petco comes in at number 2. You can use Shiba Inu to purchase live small animals, birds, puppies, and other pets. Furthermore, medical care and dog training are available at Petco. It uses Flexa to accept Shiba Inu and other cryptocurrencies, just like Nordstrom. Rock & Block is a blockchain technology startup that has recruited top talent from industry heavyweights including Ernst & Young, IBM, Microsoft, and other top fintech and blockchain companies. Shiba Inu and other cryptocurrencies are welcome at Rock & Block, where you may get first-rate dedicated services. One of the most recent NHL teams to accept cryptocurrency is the Carolina Hurricanes. There have been 15 division titles and 5 Eastern Conference championships won by the Con in their 35 years of existence, as recorded in the records. Anyone interested in sports or cryptocurrency can use SHIB to purchase Con merchandise. Not only do the Hurricanes take Shiba Inu US as payment, but the Sacramento Kings and the Dallas Mavericks of the NBA do as well. The American company APMX stands out from competition in a number of ways, including its superior customer service and an assortment of products that is second to none. Established in 2000, this company's headquarters are located in Oklahoma, USA. Members of the Shiba Inu community are still counting down the days until Shibarium, a Layer 2 technology, is released. There have been whispers and assumptions that the launch is set for February 14th, Valentine's Day, but no official announcement has been made at this time. The SHIB Army must make a crucial decision shortly because the launch is approaching. The official Shiba Inu account on Twitter is now holding a contest to choose a tagline for the Metaverse project, which is titled SHIB the Metaverse. The project's success will be impacted by the phrase, which will be utilized in future marketing initiatives. There will be a vote on 3 slogans. A new day is upon us. Let your hopes and ambitions soar. as you join forces with the pack. There have been 1,505 votes cast on the propositions. 46.1% supported Unleash Inu tomorrow, while 31.6% supported Unleash Your Aspirations. Since the polls were still open, the outcome could shift in favor of either of the other two slogans. The developer of Shiba League dropped another hint yesterday regarding the release of Shibarium, the metaverse's foundational platform situation. Room is now the home of Satoshi Kusama's Twitter bio. The word war room refers to a specific location in a government or agency facility where the most senior officials gather to discuss and decide upon pressing concerns. What this means to the SHIB army is that Kusama is weighing the pros and cons of releasing Shibarium's beta version soon. Another tidbit, a Twitter account purporting to be Shibarium's domain called after the principal Shiba Inu developer. Similar to Vitalik ETH, which is owned by Vitalik Buterin, one of the co-founders of Ethereum, the chief developer of Shiba Inu will soon have his very own Ethereum server. Currently, the unnamed seller is asking 500 ETH, or almost $790,000 on OpenSea, for Satoshi ETH. The advertised end date of the sale is April 30th, 2023. In exchange for payment, the vendor guarantees to purchase Bone tokens. The question of whether Satoshi Kusama will actually purchase the domain is still open, though. It was the goal of the fraudulent ShibaSwap account that Satoshi would purchase the domain name before an Ethereum whale could do it faster. The SHIB community has been very critical of the move, and Kusama has chosen not to reply to the tweets. In the past day, the price of SHIB has increased by 0.2%, reaching $0. Increased by 0.2%, reaching $0.00. After a 61% increase since January 1st, the price is now settling within a range of $0.00 to $0.00. For SHIB bulls, a critical break would be to get above the $0.00 resistance zone. Nevertheless, whether the bulls succeed in breaking through barrier will be decided at tomorrow's FOMC meeting. Crypto world busted Siegel Teebs, one of the hottest coins ETFH stored value, and the 9 cents distress sign, nearly lost this month in Japan. What do we have there then to break? Well, support at $0.00 is a key level for SHIB investors to watch in light of the hawkish Fed Chair Jerome Powell at a news conference in Washington on Wednesday. Officials from the United States Justice and Treasury Departments announced that they had detained the founder of Bitslato with money laundering. Founder Anatoly Legkamenov was apprehended by the U.S. government, and Bitslato, a platform based in Hong Kong, has been essentially shut down. Behavioral changes that will prevent Bitslato from providing services to anyone with ties to Russia, stated Deputy Attorney General Lisa Monaco during a press conference. She said that the U.S. Treasury Department, French authorities, and the FBI have worked together to disrupt a bustling section of this criminal ecology, and she detailed their synchronized enforcement operations. A primary money laundering concern designation, officially bestowed by the Treasury's Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, FinCEN, is one of the gravest penalties the government may take to combat illegal activity. This designation typically involves cutting off a company's access to the global financial system. In essence, the branding makes the exchange a global pariah. Lekurimov, a Russian national and Chinese resident and primary owner of Bitslato, was mentioned by Wally Adeyemo, the Deputy Secretary of the Treasury. His arraignment in the United States District Court for the Southern District of Florida